Jeremy Joseph from Joseph and Partners. My main area of specialization is shipping, admiralty, and commercial law. We are a multi-service shipping firm, so we don't just focus on the litigation side of things. We also do non-contentious shipping like ship sale and purchase, ship financing. We also handle shipping corporate work as well. But we are primarily known more for our shipping litigation because in Malaysia, there are not many firms that specialize in shipping. There are perhaps only a handful, but we are regarded as one of the top tier firms in this country and a client's choice. We act for various clients in the shipping and insurance sector, but typically we act for ship owners, charterers, ports, banks, other types of service providers in the shipping industry, P&I clubs, and very often we do get instructed by international law firms who themselves act for those parties I mentioned earlier. 2018, we acted for the Malaysian government and the 1MDB, the arrest and sale of the super yacht Equanimity. This was a headline-grabbing case which involved a yacht that was purchased by a man called Jolo, who was involved in a big corruption case that ultimately led to the downfall of former Malaysian Prime Minister. So we were appointed by the new government to enforce the government's rights over that particular asset that was purchased using the monies that were siphoned off by Jolo. And so that was something that we were involved in. But very often we do get many precedent-setting cases. Like some of the, interestingly, yacht have been, some of the diet of cases have been involved in the last couple of years. But many commercial vessels, ship arrests. One in particular that comes to mind is a case that involved a different set of laws that on the issue of whether charterers, bareboat charterers would be required to redeliver a vessel before you can consider charter party being terminated. Is that a requirement? And that was an issue that came up in the Malaysian courts. So there are many type of cases of different kind of issues that come up, and interestingly, in the last 2 or 3 years, the Malaysian court has seen a number of shipping and admiralty cases that would be of interesting read actually. Reason is perhaps because of the network. We have to also consider that people do look beyond the traditional way of client referrals and what they sometimes hear from people, and that has its place and that is very important. But a lot of people want an instant way to find the right people for the job, and to do that, you need a credible platform and source that can be trusted. And I would think Global Law has got that platform, and I think that's why I think we are part of that.